Hello everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabby. I hope you're all doing great. Don't forget we have a giveaway happening on the channel, so make sure you don't miss out. Today the video is about 5-pack Hot Wheels Retro Racers. I got this new Hot Wheel Retro Racer 5-pack 2024 from Target. These are the mini collections which features the iconic race cars from the past. Before we dwell into the detail, let's unbox it. And I will be discussing each car one by one, starting with the Lamborghini. It has a beautiful sky blue color, has a number 1 on it. As the Lamborghini Countach is a legend in the automotive universe, with its futuristic wedge-shaped design, scissor door, and a roaring V12 engine. 74 Mustang Mach 1, which comes in bright yellow color. It was a legendary American muscle car. With an aggressive design and a powerful V8 engine, it was the symbol of American automotive excellence. The next one we have Head Starter. It's an original Hot Wheel model designed by Ryu Asada, which appeared to be based on vintage Honda race car. It seems the driver head is designed to wobble a bit during the racing down the track. The fourth one we have Erikenstien rod. It's a custom-made Hot Wheel car, which is not just a die-cast toy, but is a symbol of imagination and adventure. The Porsche 917L. It's a legendary race car that dominated the racing in the early 1970s. The Porsche 917 is a race car that won at Le Mans, and the L in 917L could stand for laser focused or limitless, as it is known for its speed and precision. These 5 cars have their own story, which inspire car enthusiasts and the collectors. Whether it's a futuristic, or imaginative, or victorious, these die-cast cars fuel our dreams. So that's the end of today's video. Did you enjoy it? Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe for more. Already a part of my Chill with Sabby community? Thank you for your support. Be sure to check out my other videos and share them with your friends. Let's grow this Chill with Sabby community together. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.